truly ours beneath the light of two moons. Life breathes differently, it listens, it remembers. We came searching for something, resources, redemption, refuge. But Skylar does not give, it tests, it awakens. The forest speaks in silence, water roars with memory, and the mountain still high, untouched by time. We thought we shaped this world, but it is we who are being shaped, in harmony, in balance, for home. We thought we shaped this world, but it is we who are being shaped, in harmony, in balance, for home.